Tremco stock a comprehensive range of concrete repair products, being our TREMcrete range. We do have a full system of solutions to resolve the majority of issues that commonly occur, whether it be concrete cancer, spalling, structural failure. Tremco do have the products to do the job. The TREMcrete HPM is our high build mortar, has excellent mechanical properties, so a compressive strength of 59.4 MPa. It is shrinkage compensated, so in spalled repairs it's not going to shrink. There's going to be no risk of delamination. It is a really versatile product, so we can use it between 10 and 90 mils, even in overhead applications with no risk of segregation, no risk of sagging.
The TREMcrete MPR is a multi-purpose resurfacer designed to reprofile a concrete surface if it has been damaged due to rain. It's just a 0.5 to 1.5 mil skim coating, and that provides waterproofing, light foot traffic durability as well. The TREMcrete NWP, designed for your negative waterproofing, so that goes into your water tanks, OSD tanks, retaining walls and any below ground structures such as your lift pits.
But our biggest point of difference is going to be the TREMcrete activator. So the activator can be used as a durability enhancer of existing concrete structures, can be used as a really high performance curing agent. However, where it's going to have the biggest effect in its usage as a primer for subsequent cementitious coatings. In its use as a durability enhancer, what the activator does is absorb into the concrete, seek out the reinforcement and essentially passivate it. In its use as a high performance curing agent, it will promote really effective cement hydration. So that's going to come into its own when we're applying subsequent coatings whilst the activator is still wet. What this means in practice is we're achieving a chemical bond in addition to a mechanical bond. This allows us to achieve bond strengths of anywhere between 6 to 7 megapascals. Most other products on the market achieve between sort of 2.5 to 3.5. The activator is allowing the coating and the concrete to act monolithically. It's going to act as one. It's a complete bulletproof system.
Even though we offer a high quality TREMcrete product range, the biggest thing is our service and support on site. Basically, Tremco are providing support to the engineers, the applicators and the clients. And we don't want to come back because we don't want our products to fail. So if they're applied correctly the first time with the 3 key steps, surface prep, application and curing, very high chance we won't be coming back to the job.